Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. We are launching a new series of videos on Reiki, starting with the introduction of Reiki, benefits of Reiki, different levels of Reiki, time investment to learn Reiki. Enjoy these videos. If you want to learn Reiki, then block your seat for 30 minutes to 1 hour recorded video session and 1 hour live attunement and practice session. What is Reiki? It is a universal life force, spiritually guided divine energy for near and distant healing for self or others. Reiki heals 7 chakras, hence improves physical health. Reiki heals mental health, removes negative thoughts and any past life trauma. Reiki has no bad effect or side effect, only positive results. It is an ancient science of healing, not a religion. Benefits of Reiki. Reiki helps you to attract positivity, health, wealth, prosperity. It helps you to fulfill your wishes, to get right direction, for progression, for love and harmony. Reiki can be given to living and non-living. Example, human beings, animals, plants, home, vehicles, food, water. It is a miracle that you can send Reiki to anyone in this world with their permission for their physical and mental well-being. Started Reiki. Dr. Makao Ushi is the father of Reiki. He was born in Japan and lived from 15th August 1865 to 9th March 1926. Reiki is now popular across the world. Reiki also helps you to get rid of negative effects of bad stars, bad karmas, pitra dosha and devils. Why should you learn Reiki? You can do Reiki to protect yourself, your family, your home, your vehicle. You can do Reiki to fulfill your wishes of health, wealth, happiness, prosperity and well-being for self and family. You can do Reiki to purify and charge your food and water to protect yourself from the harmful effects of the chemical in food and impurities in water. You can do Reiki for your loved ones across the world. Importance of personal attunement. Lot of courses only share the concepts and theories of Reiki with no focus on participant attunement and practice. It is critical to get personal Reiki attunement before the participant starts practicing Reiki to ensure their Reiki is effective. After attunement, participants should practice Reiki for 21 days for getting positive results. What is personal Reiki attunement? Personal Reiki attunement is a session where the Reiki masters and grandmasters give the Reiki energy to all the chakras of participant. Establish Reiki symbols in the participant forever. Greet the participant to the new level of Reiki. It is only after attunement that the participant's Reiki becomes effective. Few Reiki examples. Giving Reiki to crown chakra energizes brain cells, and nerves. Person receiving Reiki would, for example, get good marks, have good performance in interviews, and would be relaxed. Reiki can help you get the right diagnosis, doctor, and treatment. Reiki can protect your house, vehicle, pets, and yourself for safety. Thought Reiki can help you choose correct profession and attract what your heart desires from the universe. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. In this video, I am going to tell you about the Reiki for kids above 12 years. Block your seat for video and Zoom call based Reiki for your kids. Reiki for kids students course covers Reiki level 1 course plus Vidya Shaktipat attunement session. After learning level 1 Reiki course, there is a special attunement where the grandmasters put special symbols in the participant's crown and other chakras to learn fast for increasing memory, attracting positivity, for any guidance for choosing correct profession. Personal attunement is given through live Zoom session. It would cover participants' aura cleaning, stabilizing, Vidya Shaktipat, Reiki in person forever. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about the Reiki level 1 course structure and course method. If you want to learn Reiki, then block your seat now. In our Reiki level 1 course, the content structure would cover the following topics: introduction of Reiki, knowledge of aura, knowledge of chakras, color of chakras, meditation and inviting Reiki, cleaning of aura by 2 methods, washing hands with salt water, giving long Reiki on 24 parts of body with hands, giving medium Reiki on 12 parts of body with hands, giving short Reiki on 7 chakras with hands, then finally closing and thanking Reiki. This is followed by personal participant attunement for level 1. Reiki level 1 course method has 4 steps. Step first, course content of just 30 minutes by a pre-recorded video. It is self-placed and can be watched anytime, anywhere by the participant. Step 2, attunement, which is 1 or 1.5 hour live video call hosted monthly on Saturdays or Sundays. The participant has to attend this attunement session once in lifetime. For attunement, the pre-session has self-aura cleaning, which is to be done by participant as shown in pre-recorded video. During the session, the faculty gives energy to all chakras and stabilize Reiki in the participants forever. After attunement, the participant is given Reiki level 1 practitioner certificate. Step 4, practice Reiki for 21 days. We recommend the participant to practice ideally long Reiki, medium Reiki or short Reiki for 21 days. This helps you to gain confidence and become a Reiki level 1 expert. After that, you can give Reiki healing energy to others. Thank you. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about Reiki Level 2 course structure and course method. If you want to learn Reiki, then block your seat now. Our Reiki Level 2 course structure includes knowledge of key crystals, purifying crystals, knowledge of symbols and its uses, drawing of symbols with hands, third eye and crystal, meditation, inviting Reiki, Reiki with hands, charging of hands with symbols, putting symbols on crown, Reiki with crystals, cleaning of aura, cleaning and charging of chakras with crystal, how to make wish box, grid and wish slips, how to connect grid to the universe for constant healing, Egyptian camphor purity lamp, how to protect yourself with symbols, mala, how to charge water, food for good health, how to protect plants, your vehicle, your house, power of positive affirmation, finally closing Reiki practice. This is followed by personal participant attunement for level 2. Our Reiki level 2 course method includes first starting with the course content by recorded video which is self-paced for participant to watch anytime, anywhere. Second is a live video call attunement session of 1 to 2 hours. During the session, the Reiki faculty gives energy to all the chakras of the participant and stabilizes Reiki level 2 symbols in all the chakras of the participant forever. Third step is for the participants to get Reiki level 2 practitioner's certificate. Last step is for the participants to practice level 2 Reiki for 21 days at home. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about Reiki Level 3 course structure and course method. If you have not enrolled for Reiki course with us, then enroll now. www.creativelearningsacademy.com or write to us or call us at creativelearningsacademy@gmail.com. Reiki Level 3 course structure. Learning 20 advanced symbol for health, wealth, happiness, relationship. Learning mirroring of aura and scanning of chakras. Learning dowsing with pendulum. Answering questions by Reiki with pendulum or dowser. Learning psychic surgery. Learning to protect yourself with whirling, boomerang, rooting technique. Psychic surgery is used for organ transplant. Learning how to remove psychic attack. Also diffuse black magic with Reiki. Psychic attack is when the person gets extremely negative. Learning basic concept of sun healing. Sun Reiki is for achieving wishes of your wish diary. Learning Bell Reiki. Bell Reiki is for removing negativity and charging chakras. Learning the grid wish box method with additional symbols. Learning to get rid of evil person in life with grid method. Learning the magical numbers grid for health, business, wishes. Learning positive affirmation. Say 3 times every day. I am happy, healthy, prosperous. I am free from all negativity and negative actions by anyone. All the planets are positive towards me. Personal participant attunement for level 3. Reiki level 3 course method has 4 parts. First, 1 to 2 hours of recorded video, which is self-paced. Participant can watch it anytime, anywhere. Second, 1 to 2 hours of live video call session covering attunement and question answers. Pre-session, the participant does self or acting. During the session, the faculty gives energy to all the chakras of the student and stabilizes level 3 Reiki symbols in all the chakras of the participant forever. Third step, you get certified as Reiki level 3 practitioner. Fourth step, participant should do Reiki at home. What is the difference in our Reiki course? Why us? Extremely short and sweet course by Reiki experts with focus on practical learning and personal attunement. Education online video about 1 hour. Exposure live video call face-to-face session for personal participant attunement and question answer about 1 to 1.5 hours. Experience pre-recorded video for practice at home for 21 days around less than 1 hour. Explore Reiki stories on the website and a network of learners. Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. Today I am going to tell you about pendulum or dowsing Reiki force. You can learn it after doing level 2 Reiki course. Let's understand what will you learn in this course and its benefits. Here is what you will learn in dowsing with pendulum Reiki. Learning mirroring of aura by L-shaped rods. Learning scanning of chakras by long dowser. Learning pendulum healing for doing self-Reiki. Learning pendulum healing for doing Reiki for others. Learning to do paper grid Reiki healing with pendulum. Answering questions by Reiki with pendulum. Searching for lost things or unknown treasure with pendulum.